Hello everyone, welcome to the Naturegrapher channel. Today we're going to bring you an event which will be having some of us from the MNS photo group involved. It is actually organized by the SD Guthrie organization and also supported by ECOMy, and it's called the Carey Heritage Bird Photography Competition 2025. So it is a 3 days 2 nights event in Carey Island itself. So we will bring you along the journey for the next couple of days. Stay tuned. Gautam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Six. Yeah. Down.
Okay.
Thank you. I number G.
Okay, 3 t-shirts. You're gonna wear the blue today.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. 3 set all that. Okay, cool. Alright, thank you.
Today we are going to create a little bit of history for the first ever Carey Heritage Bird Photography competition held in what must be one of the best kept secrets in the natural world. A beautiful site that I'm pretty much impressed. So on behalf of the team from SD Guthrie and ECOMy, we welcome you. Welcome.
And also a pair of the cheeks resemble like a love shape, captured with the 200-600 lens.
Why Malaysia? Wow. You guys think you're a big deal. I mean, why? If you're sitting next to Colombia, maybe you keep quiet a little bit. But any other country in the world, you say, hey, we are one of the 17 mega diverse countries in the world. You know, Malaysia, between us and the 17 countries that's named here, we all hold 75% of what's known in terms of biodiversity. So, 75% of what's known in the world is shared by 17 countries. And we are lucky to be one of them. So, Malaysia is the best.
Day 2, flag off day. Lots of mozzies. Hi, good morning guys. Day 3 today of the competition and judgment day. So I'm going to submit our pictures. See you all later. Yeah.
Every successful event, I think there's only one formula: people are safe. Yeah, people got to do their things and get to go out in the great outdoors. Whether you saw 100 birds or you saw 1,000 birds, it doesn't matter. To our friends from SD Guthrie, in the world of bird watching and bird photography and so on, there are a few superstars here that got up, answered our call to say, hey, can we get a band of photographers together? And they said yes. Yeah. So Jangan. Bird watching, bird photography, wildlife watching, the great ecotourism, great outdoors is about people. It's not about birds, it's not about wildlife. It's about people. It's about you and me, it's about our experience, it's about how we translate that into Facebook posts, how we translate that to storytelling, how we tell our wives, sorry I'm late because I'm bird watching.
Yeah. Andrew, thank you so much for being our partner. And this is the first ever bird competition, let alone bird watching. So Lila jumped from bird watching to bird competition straight away. And I'm glad that it was a success. And Lila was giving us some snippets about some of the photos. That was truly amazing. So, over the past 2 days, we have seen how passion, patience, and creativity converge through the lens of the camera. So, thank you once again for being part of Carey Island Heritage journey. Until we meet again, always keep your eyes open, your lens ready, and your hearts connected to nature. And now, for the part you're waiting for, let's view the winning photographs. Thank you.
So many nice photographs. And unfortunately, not everybody can win all the prizes, right? So we had some challenges because some bird watchers were photographing together. So they shot almost identical subjects, almost identical. So we had to make some sacrifices based on technicalities like composition, And if one of the eyes is closed a little bit, unfortunately it gets blocked out. Yeah. Someone who's taken a photo of a kingfisher. Now, point to the bird, point to the bird. Point.
1, 2, 3.
So in 5th place, of course all are amazing shots, yeah? 5th place is this beautiful masterpiece. Thank you. Looks like it's suspending. For 1,000 ringgit, ladies and gentlemen, this is the beauty. This bird whistles and talks to each other. Yeah? So it's not just beautiful, does not just have all these wonderful patterns on its back and so on. It has beautiful eye-ring. Check out the eye-ring. Very pretty, very handsome, yeah? And all it does is go and feeds and sleeps on trees at night. It goes on trees and sleeps at night. It will go. Daytime it comes out. So, third place. Let's see, second place winner. What did you capture? Okay, Risha. So this is a common kingfisher. The name is common, but it's not very common. It only comes between the months of in winter time, October, November, December, January, February, March. It goes back. It flies down south from China, Japan, southern Russia. It flies south during the winter, and it stops in Pulau Carey, to relax, makan seafood, Yeah, so spring it goes back. So we only see this bird 6-7 months a year. Congratulations, fantastic birding flight. Claim your prize. Thank you. The first place, again, everybody is big winners. Thank you very much. You are all amazing photographers, bird watchers, and so on. But one guy took this nice photo, and all the judges went, oh, cantik, quite cute. Then he makan kacang, he minum sikit, and then Mr. Ng is laughing because he's the one who said, ooh, sangat cantik. So very nice. Okay. Cantik punya cantik. This is, ladies and gentlemen, your first prize, winner of the first ever bird photography competition here in Carey Carey Island, thanks to SD Guthrie. Here it is. Alright, come and clean your rice.
So unfortunately none of us from the MNS photo group claimed a prize, but it was an honor to have participated among some of the legends of bird photography in this competition. We hope to be back again, and those of you watching should consider visiting this amazing place called Carey Island.